In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a game pass in Roblox just like the one I made here in my game. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if this video helps you out, consider leaving a like because it really supports the channel. Make sure to watch to the end, by the way, so you don't miss any steps. Let's get into it. Now, quick note, this tutorial is going to work on both desktop and mobile, and if you're on mobile, I recommend using the Roblox website in your browser instead of the app for this process because it's a little bit easier. But essentially, exit out of Roblox completely and open up a web browser and go to roblox.com. Go ahead and sign into your account, and once you sign into your account, go ahead and find the Create tab all the way up at the top. Open this up, and on this left-hand side over here, find Creations and click on this. Go ahead and find whatever default place you might have and open it up. And on this left-hand section, you're going to want to scroll down until you find the Monetization tab. From here, find Passes and open this up. Enable global growth with regional pricing, just because it'll allow you to get more Robux. And then go ahead and create a pass. From here, you can change the pass image, but the main part is actually putting the name in here, which I'm going to make this pass called Create a Pass, and then also adding a description. Simply go ahead and hit Create Pass in the bottom, and as you can see, it's going to be here. And as you can see, it's going to pop up right here. Go ahead and hit the three dots all the way over here, open it in a new tab, and hit Sales on the left-hand section. From here, turn on Item for Sale, and make sure you set a default price to something like 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, just because you'll get more sales like that, in my personal opinion. From here, go ahead and hit Save Changes. Just keep in mind, whatever you set this price to, that Roblox is going to take a 30% fee. So you'll only receive 70%. So for like $5 or 5 Robux, like I just said, you're going to keep 3.5. Now, what you're going to want to do is navigate back to the main Roblox page. And once you get to this page, go ahead and open up Please Donate again. Once you get loaded in, find an unclaimed stand and go ahead and hold E on it to claim it. And from here, you should see your pass go ahead and appear. But yeah, it's as easy as that. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great day.